Now that you've downloaded the free Shichida flashcard bundle, I'll guide you on how to properly use these flashcards through a practical demonstration. Step 1. Holding the cards. Place the cards on the first joint of your fingers. Tilt them back and lean them on your thumb like a little picture frame. Hold the cards with your thumb, index finger and middle finger at the top center, flashing cards slightly off center. Use a wrist snap to quickly flash the cards at 0.5 to 0.8 seconds per card for ages 1 and up. For babies below 1 year old, flash the cards slowly at 1 second per card. Hold your cards slightly higher than the child's eye level. Make sure not to hide any pictures or words with your fingers. How to read regular cards. Start with the front cover titled on each flashcard set and read it before starting each set. World Geography. Netherlands, France, Sweden, Germany, Luxembourg, Belgium, Denmark, Austria, Finland, Switzerland. That's World Geography. Speak clearly and loudly with correct intonation, avoiding dialect accents. Australian insects. Jewel beetle, jackjumper ant, honeybee, greenhouse whitefly, evening brown, cucumber moth, cranberry moth, blue triangle, Christmas beetle, bean leaf roller. That's Australian insects. How to show dot cards. Just a quick note, the dot cards I'm showing aren't part of the free flashcard bundle. If you'd like a set, you can grab them from our shop at shop.shichida.com.au. High speed, massive input is a key. Be flexible and devise methods to make it fun. Don't check for understanding, just keep going. Continue patiently and always praise and give positive remarks. Let's look at some Shichida dots, guys. 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45. These are our Shichida dots. Yes, they were pretty colors. Do not ask your child to repeat or answer questions. Keep the session short and enjoyable, 1 to 3 minutes. Stop before your child loses interest. Let's have a look at flashcards in action. Here are some of our amazing teachers using flashcards to teach hundreds, if not thousands, of students. The flashcard sets we use in Shichida cover a wide range of topics. Animals, food and beverages, clothes and accessories, famous artworks, historical figures, world flags, world geography, famous landmarks, emotions, basic concepts such as colors, ordinals and coordinates, and so much more. We have perfected the art of high-speed flashing and are the #1 choice in Australia for whole brain-based and flashcard learning. This program is designed to build a robust general knowledge base from this flashcard-based learning, while setting a solid foundation on which we can continue to build on this knowledge through hands-on activities and songs. If you see the value of flashcards as a learning tool and want to take advantage of the early years, we strongly advise you to at least try a lesson in our revolutionary learning program. To book a trial lesson with us, simply click the link below, enter the coupon code FLASH50, and you can get 50% off your first trial lesson. Thank you for your time and hope to see you in class real soon. Bye for now.